Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change name on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your TikTok app. Now go to your profile page on the bottom right corner. Then tap on Edit Profile option. Click on the name option. Now remove your previous name and add in your new name. After you've done that, tap on the Save option in the top right corner. And if you're sure, tap on Confirm button. And that is how you can change name on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.